Let's where are you?
Guys, where are you?
Let's where are you?
There you
There
are. Tara, let's go.
Yay.
Guys,
Hola,
baka
amigos,
di ko na-record yung
amigos.
microphone kanina sa port sa Outlaster.
Who are you supposed to be, Yui?
Asriel, I'm supposed to be my OC. I'm cosplaying my OC.
Oh my god,
Hence the blonde hair.
we're cosplaying our OC.
Hi guys.
Ano to? Aerophobia? What is this called?
Acrophobia, let's go. Oh my god, that's so tall. That's
That is not scary. Mary putang.
no.
No, he fell, Yui!
Oh, you fun.
Nahulog.
I don't know. What happened? Okay, I'm
No
back.
way, you guys fell. But like, I actually have fear of heights in real life.
No, it doesn't really real life. Unless VR though.
In
So
real life, I do have fear of heights, but this is not really that scary. Don't push me. Don't even.
I died. Let go. Oh my god, I go back
Where
in
are we
the...
supposed to go?
Somebody died. Who died?
I died.
Namatay.
What is Mary
Why do you
doing?
guys keep
Start.
dying?
This is not scary at all. Can I run?
No.
No.
Let's picture like other stuff, other phobias.
Sabi mo, we start off small, so we are starting off small.
This is so fucking small.
We're talking about you guys' phobias. Where am I supposed to go next?
Wait, Gani, this is actually my phobia. I have fear of heights.
Where did you go on top? Oh.
Ako din, I'm scared of
Yeah,
heights.
go
man.
on the
Pero
ladder.
parang di siya scary, guys.
Duh, because we're in Roblox.
Exactly.
Oh no. Really? Seriously? Seriously? I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. Never mind. I have to go all the
Just
way. I have
go
to
to Go guys, don't fall. Kasi mag-ulit talaga tayo.
This is not. It's like parkour or something. This
Can we go
is
down
not
there?
scary.
You can't even jump.
Well,
Oh,
you
there
know
you go.
what would
This
make
is
it
the end.
even more scary if there's something under there.
Take an
Like
end.
what?
Like there's something under there or something.
Underwear.
Like there, like
Under
under
where?
there.
So are we done? Oh my god, gate to heaven. Oh, this is called acrophobia. I wonder if
Are
there's
you guys here?
Tara, aperophobia tayo, fear of eternity.
Wait lang. Let's check one of the other
Saan
heights.
kayo?
Fear of water. Fear of mannequins. I don't want that. I'm too scared for that. Fear of forest. I also don't want to do that one. Fear of mazes. Mazophobia.
Ano, doon kayo tayo. Saan ka nga scary? You guys, saan kayo? I'm gonna join your server.
Ayoko. I'm alone right now. Ayoko nga din mag-horror.
I'm here! What the heck are you talking about?
Nandito man tayo. Naka-call man tayo. Sige na. Kagani, maganda.
Skapa.
Ay, Mary, saan ka?
I don't want. Natatakot na ako guys. Ayoko talaga to. Gusto ko yung mga tycoon
Well,
games.
kanina sabi mo, di scary.
How is this scary?
Kasi
Let's go,
heights
let's
siya.
go
It's
aperophobia.
not even scary. Fear
Let's
of
go.
being trapped. Fear of the forest. Let's go. Dito tayo.
Bala ka
Makita
dyan,
natin
te.
ang the three bears.
It's not
Masaya ka
scary.
kasi nandun yung mga pamilya mo, te. Oh my god.
It's chasing us. Ano ba?
Happy kayo, nandun
Sabi
yung
Sige na,
mga
dali.
parents.
Kayo
Ako
na
lang
dito
sa
ang
labas ng
bears.
bahay.
Guys, the bears is here. Dito tayo.
Scary. There's no entities there chasing you. It's not backrooms.
Hey,
Not
Gani,
just the
it's not even
entities,
scary,
Mary.
diba? That's what you said. It's not scary.
Let's go. But